for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rear window wiper, power driver's seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.